Hello, I am Kamran Hassan, a student of Asansol Engineering College. I am from Computer Science Engineering Department first year. So here I am going to describe about my new project, that is a non-contacting switching system. The reason why I have developed this is because nowadays it may be harmful to touch same point by so many peoples, like in banks, offices. A common switchboard is there to operate the switches, and all the peoples and workers get in contact of these switches, and this may lead us to a very dangerous situation. So without wasting time, let's know how it actually works. Hello everyone. As you can see that these switches are turned off, but the lights of the switches are turned on. So I am going to describe how this can be done. So with this switching system, that is a non-contact switching system, all these switches can be controlled without even touching it physically. Now let me describe how this switching system works. It is very easy to operate this. So the procedure to using this, you first have to activate this switching system. So by placing our hand just in front of this green indicator, this system gets into the reading mode. To confirm it is in reading mode, a LED is turned on just upper side of this scanner. After getting confirmed it is in scanning mode, we just have to put our hands in front of these indicators. Each and every indicator represent a specific switch. For example, this black indicator represent an switch in this board, and that red indicator represent another switch in this board, and as follows. So after getting into the scanning mode, we just have to put our hands in front of these indicators. Whenever you put your hands in front of one of these indicators, a specific switch will be turned on, and for turning off, the same procedure can be followed. If the switch is already turned on, then you repeat the procedure, then the switch will automatically turn off. So without wasting time, let's know how it actually works. As you can see, I am going to put my hand in front of that green indicator to turn on the scanning mode, and just after that I will put my hand on another indicator just in front of another indicator. I will not touch any of them. So then the switch will be turned on. So as you can see this. So initially I have placed my hand in front of this indicator, and then to a specific indicator to turn on a specific switch. Now I'm going to show how the switch can be turned off by using this switching system. Now as you can see, the bulb 1 and the bulb 2 is on turned on position. Now I'm going to turn off by using this switch. As you can see, I am not touching the physical switches. So let's go. Now bulb 1 is in turned off position, okay, and then the same procedure can be followed to turn off the second bulb, like this. So as you can see, now the second bulb is also in turned off position. So you can also have a closer look. So see, I am not even touching. So as you can see, this is in reading mode and then turned on. And the same for turning off the switch. Reading mode and then switching. So I have described you about my project. So this project takes 1.7 seconds for scanning and another about half second for switching. So in total, like 2.2 seconds, a switch can be turned on or off by using this switch. So I hope you like my project, and very thanks for watching this video. Thank you.